Karbiang long hawar long clear seng a thengpi thengprang lapen langroi langjeng pen chenglok prek jam kelang abolon kidwa dim lakhau ne bangso bolon kido hawar long la ansu se kapachathang ji lapen kapaching thorpon ji aphan Karbiang long Autonomous Council Tourism Department EM retashing hi pen ajok dode sang se sideng ponbom si nonapor Karbiang long hawar pirthia dang chethang ponbom tanglo Lason si kidam tang thang ni phai phor ni pen Sunsilk Miss North East lapen Beardo Mister North East atum Karbiang long along kelang Miss na langsun langroi langjeng lapen prek jamadi malong nang kelang japhan banglo bangso hud alang litum pen langbu ko langsun along pen chenglok prek jamadi malong kejui kelang damji aphan palidamlo lapen pini ar koi ni phai trok siar ni le thot sitame Karbi People's Hall taralang solong an sitame nang humri si no thengpia long pen chenglok kejui kelang aphan nang humri do Karbiang long arlo kejui kelang aphan nang ka humri pen upi ko son si ke thek pon long pu pherang ke tum pen karjo hut kapachini pon atengki Karbiang long arlo lapu ana bolon ke dodim hilitum nang ka humri pen ningarong ulo lapen Karbia khaya pinding sumpot pen chenglok ke chuki jun ansatame misen lancho takalisi Karbiang long Tourism Department pen kido ke thagadi misen nang ke pia pota akiro pipajir pot
Kardom, Namaskar. I'm Neha Barua from Assam, your Sunsilk Miss North East 2023. I feel very excited and overwhelmed to be here in Karbi Anglong. I am fascinated to see the beauty of this place. We have been to some of the waterfalls. Yesterday we went to one and today we went to a Langvoko waterfall, and it was very, very thrilling. There is so much to explore here, and I feel it is very, very important to let the rest of the world know about the beauty and the culture that Karbi Anglong has. And here we are to experience and to explore and to get the best out of it and to promote it as much as we can.
Kardom, Kurumjari. I'm Chanchi K, your 19th Sunsilk Miss North East. It was really amazing. I had a wonderful time as soon as we landed here. The journey, the car rides, oh gee, the view was amazing and the roads were amazing. So I felt like I was hovering on the road when I was, journeying along. And well, it was really amazing. The food was great. I felt like a lot of the food was really similar with my community as well. Back home in Manipur, they used like bamboo shoot along in the cuisines, and I really loved it. Yeah, it was really amazing.
Sunsilk Miss North East lapen Beardo Mister North East founder Abhijit Singh hapen kapachini pon thua tengki Karbiang long arlo lapuan kelang mission along rialong nang kahumri long pen ningching sam ulo lapen non kevang ji Karbi Youth Festival along Miss KYF kachapate long ke haidu na tumaphan Sunsilk Miss North East along direct entry avarsai piponji aphansi dengpon lopusi ningje.
Obviously, Karbi Anglong is really an unexplored paradise. There's a lot of so many beauties which can't be unparalleled. We are talking about hospitality. It's already in our blood, which we can see here in Karbi Anglong. We traveled here, we had that expectation, but it's beyond more than that what we felt about the beauty.
Nasinon bang ke iltung phan angsong nang ponji phan cherabdun lake iltung along organizer lapen iltung along nang dodon lake Sunsilk Miss North East nang dodon lo lasi kaduka bisitame laso Miss KYF fan nang chapati din phansi tuning ripon lo lake audition ke lake hotel hempi long sidoi lake 11 February arni sidoi lake 10:30 pen lasi hola audition long ke longdun ke haiduna tungan bang ke final lake 18 arni sidoi.
News report Karbiang long live.